Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off your location history on Google Maps. So once you're inside Google Maps, click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click in your data in Maps. Now from here, you want to scroll down, guys. You'll find an option that says location history. It might be on for you, but in order to manage the settings, you want to tap on the arrow towards the right and you will see where you have the location history set up here. Right here, you can see when you had it turned on, when it was the first time. In my case, it's showing since 2018 there. Now, in order to turn on or off this, you can just simply tap on that and you can just, turn it off like that. And, you'll get the option for got it, or you can always go ahead and, turn on this whenever you need again. So again, simply tap on turn on and, that's basically it, it's on. So you can just easily go ahead and turn it on by scrolling down, turn this on, and you will see once the setting is on. And that's all you have to do. Very easy and very simple.